Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal and wait 10 minutes before working near airbags. This prevents accidental deployment. Gather tools, T20, T25, and T30 Torx drivers, a 10 mm socket, plastic trim tools, and a soft blanket to protect the headliner. Park on level ground with interior light on, have a helper ready, and plan for 2 to 4 hours depending on experience. Keep fasteners in labeled bags and photograph each trim step, so you can reverse the process without confusion. Remove sun visors and their mounting screws, then carefully pry off A, B, and C pillar covers and any door scuff trim to expose headliner edges. Keep clips organized. Unscrew overhead map lights and vanity light housings, then unplug their connectors. Label each plug. If the Tiguan has a sunroof, remove the sunroof motor connector and guide bolts. Detach seatbelt upper anchor bolts using a 17 mm socket while supporting the belt to prevent retraction and avoid tensioning pretensioners. Lower the headliner slightly and work your way around the roof, disengaging approximately 20 to 30 trim clips by hand or with plastic trim tools to avoid breaking them. With a helper, slide the headliner rear first toward the hatch, keeping it flat and supported on a soft blanket to prevent creases or fabric separation. Maneuver around the mirror and sunroof openings. On refit, reconnect all electrical plugs, torque bolts to factory spec, test lights, sunroof, and airbags, then reinstall trim pieces and seatbelt anchors last.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.